Rick here from Real Estate Flipping Mastery. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about market selection. You're probably in an area, there's X amount of people in that city or town. What are the best places to actually do your flips? We need to research those areas. Sometimes the biggest and best and most expensive areas are sometimes not the best place to buy a home in order to flip. And if you do find a good place, sometimes those more expensive in a nice area, you actually make less profit. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes the areas that are more like the wartime homes, the least expensive homes in an area, you sometimes make the best profit off of those type of homes. Market research is incredibly important. As part of your team, you should have a realtor. Actually, I can help you no matter where you are. I can help you find a realtor in your area that has experience in flipping or construction or renovations, that type of thing. As part of your team, talk to the realtor. Maybe you already know the areas of the city which might be best to flip a home in, but start doing, even before we're going to buy it, start doing your market research and be prepared for actually putting in an offer to buy the home. That's it for today. Thanks a lot. Always, you can get in touch with me through either Calendly or email. Give me a call if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. We'll talk soon.